Most clinics don't have a marketing problem. They have a business structure problem. You can increase your monthly revenue by 30 to 50%. That will bring you hundreds of more patients the next month, or they'll ghost you in the future. You know, I have spoken to hundreds of specialist doctors, dermatologists, plastic surgeons, cosmetologists, ENT specialists, and every single one of them tells me the same thing. Harsh, I'm doing everything right. I'm giving great results. My patients love me, but somehow I'm stuck. My clinic simply cannot grow beyond 8 to 10 lakhs a month. And I tell them, that's exactly the problem. You're not doing anything wrong. You're just doing the right things at the wrong stage. See, most clinics don't have a marketing problem. They have a business structure problem. They're trying to build an empire on top of an unstable foundation. You think you need more leads, more treatments, or more followers? But what you really need is more systems. Because here's the truth. If your business breaks the moment you take the day off, you don't have a business, you have a job that pays you maybe a bit better. And this video, I promise, will show you why that's happening, where your invisible ceiling lies, and exactly what to do about it. So let me explain what I call the invisible ceiling. The invisible ceiling is that point where your clinical skills stop being the bottleneck and your systems, those become the new bottleneck. So let me explain what I call the invisible ceiling. The invisible ceiling is that point where your clinical skills stop being the bottleneck and your systems, those become the new bottleneck. See, in the early days of your clinic, your personal skill drives everything. You are the face of the brand, you close every patient, you do every consultation, you follow up yourself, and sometimes you even handle the marketing, and that works beautifully till you reach about 8 to 10 lakhs a month, because beyond that, your time, your energy, and your mental bandwidth, that will definitely hit a wall. No matter how many more hours you put in, you just can't grow faster. You are busy all day, but growth feels stuck. And here's the funny thing. It's not because your results aren't good, it's because you've built a personality-dependent clinic and not a system-dependent business. Everything revolves around you. If you are in a good mood, your team performs well. If you are away, everything slows down. If you don't follow up on leads, nobody else does. And if you don't post, your brand goes silent, right? And that is the real reason most clinics never cross the 10 lakh a month barrier. You have reached your personal capacity limit. The business isn't broken. It's just trapped at the level of your current structure. And once you understand that, the game changes completely. Let's face it, most of you have built your reputation on results. You're proud of your treatments, your patient transformations, your skill, and you should be. But let me ask you this. How many new patients come in because of word of mouth alone? And how many drop off after the first visit? Here's what I have noticed. In 2025, results alone aren't enough. You can be an incredible doctor and still lose to a competitor who is simply knowing how to communicate better, right? That's because patients today don't buy expertise. They buy the customer experience. Think about it. The average patient can't tell the difference between the 4 types of laser machines that are in the market. But they can tell how your staff made them feel when they called, can they not? They can tell how easy it was to book. They can tell how confident they felt after the consultation. Because that experience, not the machines, that experience builds your brand. So the real question is not how do you give better results. It's how do you build a better business experience around those results. And that, my friends, that's where scaling begins. Now let's talk about the money that you're leaking every single month without even realizing it. So every clinic that's stuck under 10 lakhs has the same 5 leaks. First leak is poor lead management. The second leak is a weak follow-up system. The third leak is no defined offer and just discounts. Fourth leak is no rebooking strategy. And finally, the last leak is founder dependency. Let me explain. See, you are leaking money at poor lead management if you are running ads, you're getting inquiries, but your leads are scattered across phones, WhatsApp, and random Excel sheets. You simply assume that leads are not serious, but the truth is, you don't have a serious system. The second leak is weak follow-up system. See, if the first message your staff sends, if that doesn't land well, that decides whether they'll book or they'll ghost you in the future. See, most staff start with generic messages like the offer running dash dash dash. That is selling. You need to guide, you don't need to sell. Ask questions, build curiosity, make them feel understood. That is how you turn leads into walk-ins. Now you're selling treatments like lasers, chemical peels, hydrofacial. See, people don't buy treatments, they buy transformations. You need a defined customer journey, a name transformation package that emotionally connects with the audience. For example, a 90-day skin revival plan or the confident bright glow system are good package names, and that's what creates perceived value and price elasticity. The fourth leak is that you don't have a rebooking strategy. See, most clinics stop communication after the treatment, and you are missing out on 40 to 50% of your revenue just because you never designed a retention system. Automated follow-ups, quick check-ins, reminders, these simple touch points, these build lifetime value of patients. Then fifth leak is founder dependency, and this is the biggest one. You, the clinic founder, are the glue holding everything together, and that is very dangerous. See, if you step away for 10 days, everything slows down or breaks, right? That is a symptom of missing system architecture. Plugging these leaks alone can increase your monthly revenue by 30 to 50% without spending even an additional rupee on ads. And that is the power of systems. Now here are 3 systems that can help clinics jump from 10 lakhs to even 25 lakhs per month sustainably and consistently. The first system is known as the lead to conversion system. Everything from enquiry to appointment must be mapped strategically. Every step should have a script or an SOP, a tracker, and a responsibility owner. For example, if a new lead enters, there should be an auto WhatsApp reply. The staff should follow up with the SOP designed to build desire and not to offer discounts. And then there should be strategic follow-up going on for at least 7 to 14 days in the future. See, daily conversion rate must be recorded and reviewed, because when this runs daily, conversions then start becoming predictable. So the second system is delivery to experience system. Here you have to design how the patient feels at every single step. The way they are greeted, the way they are consulted, the way they are followed up. You have to add the small touches like handwritten thank you notes, mirror selfie moments, progress updates. Make it emotional and don't keep it transactional, because this is how you create raving fans who actually refer others. Then comes the third big system, that is growth to leadership system. And as a founder, your job actually should shift from doing everything to building systems for everything. Weekly reviews, team KPIs, ad dashboards, patient retention data. Having a look at these will tell you the exact story of your business. And you don't need to do every task. You just need to track the right numbers and hold your team accountable. And once these 3 systems are built, you stop chasing patients and the patients start chasing you. And this is where most clinic owners struggle. Not in skill, but in identity. See, you have spent years being the expert, the doctor, the healer, and the identity is strong. But is it scalable? Not really. See, the next version of you needs to start thinking like a CEO. Someone who measures, who delegates, and who builds the systems and processes. Someone who doesn't react but designs. Someone who understands that time is a resource and not a badge of honor. See, you don't need to work more hours. You simply need to make each hour more valuable. The best clinics in India aren't growing because they have better lasers. They are growing because they have better leadership. So let's recap what we have learned today, right? See, first of all, the great results don't guarantee great growth. Founder dependency kills scalability. Systems create freedom, and your job is to not just to treat more, it is to actually build more. And once you shift from being a doctor who works in the business to a doctor who works on the business, your entire life changes. Your stress goes down, your income goes up, your team starts performing without constant supervision and micromanagement, and your clinic finally becomes a business that grows without you running it like a treadmill. And that, my friends, that is the real win. Because what's the point of growing your revenue if your peace and family time don't grow with it? So here's my advice. Don't chase 10 more patients this week. Just build one system that will bring you hundreds of more patients the next month. So if this video helped you see your clinic differently, share it with one other doctor friend who's stuck at the same invisible ceiling. Because the moment they break that belief, they will never see the business the same way again, and they will thank you forever. And that is exactly how we create the next generation of specialist authorities. Doctors who build empires and not just clinics. I hope you got real and true value from this video, and if you did, just hit the subscribe button below because this is one of many, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure you're gonna subscribe to the channel.